Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the one more uh, projection of plane problem. So before going to start our exercise, set the prerequisites, units, limits, and zoom all. Okay. So this is a circular plate problem. Okay. So a circular plate of diameter 100 mm is resting on HP on a point on the circumference with its surface inclined 45 degree to VP and perpendicular to HP. Draw its projection. Okay. So before going to start our exercise, we have to create one XY reference line, switch on the ortho mode. So I will draw an approximate reference line. Okay. So name it. Go to text command, single line. So this is my start point. So I will give 6 and orientation 0. Okay. X, this is my Y reference line. Okay. So where we have to start the uh, circle. Okay. So we have to start from the front view. Right. So go to circle command. So diameter is 100, right? So center diameter. So this is my center 100. Okay. So I will move this somewhere. Okay. Within my visible limit. Okay. So here I am going to divide into the circle. I am going to divide into number of segments. So here go to line command. From this point to center point, I will draw one line. Okay, I'm going to divide using this line. Okay, so go to polar array, select this line, and it will ask the base point or rotation of angle. This is my rotation of angle. So here I will change into 12. Okay, or 10. So based on your wish or 8. Okay, then close it. Give naming. So go to text command, single line text. I will start from here. This is my start point. Height is 6 and the horizon 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So next I'm going to project this point to this point. Okay. And this point to this point. So then this line is passing through this point. Okay. D and F passing the same point. And C and G passing through the midpoint. Okay. I will draw one line. This is my start point. This is B and H, and this is C and G, and this is G and F, like that. Okay, after that, select all line. Otherwise you can name it. This is my A dash. So front view you can give dash. Okay, you should give dash all. B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, and G dash, then H dash. This one is H dash. Okay, this is A, and this one is B and H. C and G. Okay, this is D and F. This one is E. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this line and move somewhere. Go to copy command. So go to copy command. I'm going to copy this line, this line, this line, and this line. So give enter this point to this point. Okay, now you got the line here. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of projected line for our understanding. So if you want, you can change the line weight setting. Switch on the display line weight. Go to by layer. Select the line weight. Okay. Okay. Now changed. So here our condition is we have to rotate incline at 45 degree, right? So I will select the line. Okay. So go to rotate command. So from this point to 45. Okay, so we have to rotate it downwards it. So we have to give the minus 45. Go to rotate command, select this line, give enter. This may be a point and minus 45. Okay, now I'm going to extend this point approximately. So this is my B and H point. Okay, and we have to draw one more point, C and G. We got the point. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a horizontal line, the line passing through B and D and A and E, then H and F, then G. Okay, this is my top most, this is my bottom most. So here go to draw spline fit. Okay, so I'm going to connect this point and this point. This is my topmost point and this is my point. Okay, move somewhere outside, give enter. Okay, So this is our projection of a circular plate. Okay. So if you want to change the line weight. Okay. So now I'm going to do the dimensioning. Angular dimension this point. This point. Go to angular. Okay, 45. Then this diameter. Okay. So dimension is not visible. Go to dim style. So here go to modify command and change the arrow size 5 and text type 5 and go to frame select H0 precision value 0 set current. Okay, now it is visible. For given condition we got the um, projection of plane. Okay, so thank you.